Hi. My first day in the classroom would be doing a series of activities that will promote leadership, togetherness, being team players, and just getting to know each other. So, my first activity will address getting to know each other. So, what I would do is I will um, divide my students into groups, and they would choose their own leader. Each person in the group will describe themselves, but one thing that they must do is say something positive about themselves. So I would give them about 15, 20 minutes to do this. And um, I would then call each group leader to the front of the class where they will describe one of the members within their groups, and the group will have to guess what member that they are talking about. So, one stipulation that must be done is that the group leader must say something positive about everyone in the group. So, once we do that, I will proceed to do an activity that will help with the seating arrangements within the classroom. When the students come to the classroom, I will have a number on each desk. Let's say 1 to 20. 1 being in the front, 10 being in the middle, 20 been in the back. So I will have them scope the room and see where they would like to sit. And then I will do a musical chairs. I will put the numbers on the chairs, 1 to 20. The student will already have the idea of where they would like to sit. So they will, when the music plays, they will be trying to get to that number on that seat. Whatever number that they sit down in, say if it's 15, that's the desk that they will have to take. Um, some of them will get the number that they want, some of them won't. But um, the thing about it is, it will be that the seat that they had chose. It will be the number that they would chose. So won't make me look like a dictator where you need this seat, you need that seat. It will be the number that they were able to get, whether they were fast enough to go around and get that seat or close to it or not. It will give them some sense of responsibilities. Thirdly, I will do a game that will help me observe some of the academic levels, some of their math skills, ELA skills. So I will have them divided within grade levels. And they will also choose their leader with this. And they will play something like Family Feud, where I will ask questions about ELA, math, science, and see where they're at. See who's answering the questions quickly, who may be struggling, some of the strengths in math, some of the strengths in ELA. I will be walking around just kind of observing and getting a feel for, where I may need to put them in groups or, some things that that may need to be worked on with them. Just getting a broad view of some of the academic levels. Um, these series of activities that I will be doing will um, most certainly increase leadership, most certainly um, help them to um, treat others as they would want to be treated, because we always have to say something positive about each other in the one activity that we're doing. It will give them a sense of belonging where they can say, these rules are what we made up, or this, we did this. The last activity that I will do will be the rules, and that will include the students making their rules that they would think that would be prominent in the classroom, or that would be needed in the classroom. They will write on the card what rule it is. They will draw a picture of why the rule needs to be implemented. And they will also present that in front of the classroom, describing to the class why they think this rule is needed. The class will then vote on the rule, and those will be the rules that we will implement in the classroom. So I really appreciate this opportunity and hope to hear from you soon. Thanks. Bye.